How to sign up CoinWF. CoinWF. Now we go to Play Store or App Store for download CoinWF. Install CoinW, and then we open app. Now we go to register. Log in. Register. You find the word register, and you put the email. This point very important for put referral code ID. Referral code ID. Referral code ID number 2, number 6, number 9, number 2, number 4, 0, number 1. Okay. Again, referral code ID number 2, number 6, number 9, number 2, number 4, 0, 4. You click here. Yeah, I have it. Okay, register. And then you choose 3 image. Yeah, 3 image. Follow this. Yeah, success. You will get code from your Gmail. Copy and then paste here. Copy, paste here, and then select submit. Create your password. You can create your password, and you put the password for security. Keep silent. Yeah, you note in your notebook, and you keep in safety box for security. Now you need to verify account CoinW. You choose where you live, with your country, and then you put your first name and last name. You need to complete your information. Yes, you choose ID card, or okay, this one you put phone number first and your birth, your date, which year you born, the date and the month. Okay, you put the name, phone number, and your birth, date of birth.